Hi everyone, it's JoshsCindyLou, aka TwinnyTwinMom, and I am back with day 35 of our home repairs. And thank you to Rick at Alpha Tile for getting a lot done yesterday. So what we're looking at is this is the master shower, and there has been a tremendous amount of small pieces put in, put around, yada yada, all that kind of fun stuff. So this is just a very intricate and beautiful job that they're doing today. They will be putting in the pretty band right through here, and you can see this is our backsplash, and this is how the band will look. This is the center part of the band, and then there is mirrored diamond tiles banding the top and the bottom of the backsplash band. So like I said, very intricate, and we're really excited. And this will look also similar to what will be happening in the front shower. So we are that much closer to being able to take showers again. So super excited. So, okay, this is day 35, and I will see you guys tomorrow for day 36 when this is all completed. Also, he did the ceiling portion of it, and what he did was turn it back out so you can see. He ran it so that it would follow up this way, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Large tiles are all segued out, and it just looks fabulous. So, thanks guys.